Almost all COVID-19 public health measures will be lifted in just over a week from now, but mask mandates could continue for students and staff in Toronto schools. Both the TDSB and the Catholic Board are asking Ontario's top doctor for a gradual easing of the rules.
Whether it's this week's announcement or previous month's announcements, there's always mixed reaction.
When kids head back to class after spring break, it'll feel a lot more like pre-pandemic times. No more masking, no more cohorts. Students can eat lunch face-to-face in the cafeteria. Extracurriculars will resume, and vaccine mandates will be lifted for staff and visitors. It's a long list of changes the TDSB believes is too abrupt.
We'd be coming back from March break on the 21st to nearly no COVID-19 measures really in place as per the ministry. So I think trustees have thought, it's just a little too much too soon, and that's why they want a more gradual lifting of these measures to at least allow 2 to 3 weeks after March break before we lift that masking mandate.
The TDSB sent this letter out to parents today saying it will be following ministry direction and masking is strongly encouraged even though it will be voluntary. But if the school board does get the okay from Ontario's top doctor, mandates will remain in place.
Does the TDSB want to continue with cohorting for the time being too?
At this point in time, there's no specific measure that they are asking for a gradual lifting of. I think masking, is generally the one that they're looking at.
The Toronto Catholic District School Board is also asking for masking requirements to be extended, while Hamilton Wentworth voted to outright defy the province and keep masking in place until April 15th. Peel, Halton, York, and Durham regions will be following the Ford government's timeline. Now, most provinces have either already lifted these public measures or are about to, and today the Premier had a pointed message to those resisting the next phase.
Let me be very clear to the school boards, they aren't medical experts. Follow the direction of the chief medical officer, plain and simple.
Now, the leader of the Green Party, Mike Schreiner, is criticizing the Ford government, saying that the school boards, along with their public health units, should be allowed to make these decisions. The TDSB has asked the Chief Medical Officer of Health to respond to the masking request by Wednesday. At this point, parents are being told to stay tuned.